For this project, I started with a 19 by 9 inch calendar that I had picked up at a garage sale for $1. I had shown it to you in one of the previous videos. Anyway, it was encased in plastic but covered in dust, so it had never been used, but it had been sitting around for quite a long time. And this is what it looked like. I took everything off of it, and then I used Wise Owl chalk paint, the color Robin's Egg, and painted the entire thing blue. And now that I look back at it, it probably would have looked good if I had just left it wood also. Anyway, this Wise Owl chalk paint, I had to put 3 coats on. And after I was done with that, I used a DIY product called Big Top After Show, and it's a sealer. And it's real easy to use, just 1 coat, and it takes about a half an hour to dry. Next, I dumped out my faux sea glass and I started arranging it at the very top. I thought it would look pretty up there. And even though it looks like it's taking me seconds to do it, I probably worked on it for at least a good half an hour and then messed around with a bunch of different shells until I was satisfied with the way it looked. Next, I was ready for the resin. For this project, I used art resin. It's a 1-to-1 ratio resin, 1 part resin to 1 part hardener. You mix them both in the same cup for approximately 3 minutes. On the side, scraping the bottom to ensure thorough mixing. Slower you mix it, the less bubbles you'll get. I always wear gloves. I use a respirator, and it's in your best interest to do it in a well-ventilated area. I don't know if you can see, but at the very top there's some blue tape because there is an opening there and I don't want the resin to leak out. So once the resin's mixed, after about 3 minutes and it's clear, I start spooning it over the glass. And this was a real easy project. You just spoon it over the glass, stuck the shell to it, and then I put everything back in it to make sure it all still fit in. And you can see the tape now at the very back. And I used the kitchen torch to get out any bubbles that there was. Looks like I need to do some touch-up paint right in that top corner there. But anyway. Hey everyone. This was just a quick, fairly easy project. Just laying down the glass is real easy, but I like the way it looks with the tumbled glass and the pretty starfish. And then of course I changed these out to shells, and you can still open this up and change the month and everything. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of future videos, subscribe. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.